Hi guys, it's Friday, May 26, 2017, and here is another video for my cousin and for a review. I picked up this Goldstar air conditioner laying on the side of the road during the rain. So, it's a Goldstar, I don't think you'll be able to read it, 5,400 BTU window air conditioner. So you can see it's for testing only. So, this unit, only problem with it is the thermostat. It was cracked, so I taped it. Now it works. Disengaged it. So, this unit has a high, low fan, high, cool, low, cool. Only thing about it is, what about when you want to draw cool air into the house, like with a vent? This doesn't have it. So, see how my tablet puts a black dot when I block it? I don't know what's that. But we're going to fire this baby up. First, let's start with high fan. If you can see the fan in there. Phew. Okay. That's high fan. Got the directionals on both sides. This one goes left to right. With this one that goes left to right. This looks like the evaporator. You can see inside there. Here's the blower. It's now low fan. Cool. So now we engage the thermostat and go out and start it on high cool. Compressors in there. It already starts to get cold, which is unreal. If I can actually close the side curtain. Most Goldstar air conditioners like to display themselves outside, so we're going to go outside and take a look. Leave this on high cool. So, our house has that ream. If you've seen the video on the ream starting up, yeah, that thing. No, I'll explain this outside. Go outside, guys. So, our ream, central air, he's still here. He's still running. Just sometimes it's not the right time. My mother wants the windows open and stuff. But this unit cools my room real nice when my bed's not over it. So we're going to go over to the unit. I don't think you can see the Goldstar logo. No, you can't. There's the condensation stripping. This thing hangs out pretty far for its size. I don't think this isn't all condensation. This is from the rain. Okay. Let's go back inside. Maybe I'll be able to get a view from inside of the outdoor part. Okay, so upstairs to the unit. blowing ice cold. There's the top part where you can see inside. So yes, that's all I have for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Bye.